So Cadia Valley Operations, it's actually one of Australia and the world's largest mining gold mines. From the conversations I've had with local residents, their concerns really kicked off in 2018 when the mine's tailings dam wall, a section of it collapsed, and that sparked a lot of dust plumes. And then since then, there have been numerous complaints about dust emissions. Most people would know Orange in central west New South Wales. So the mine's about 25 kilometres from there. They wanted to show us, I guess, the mitigation measures that they had taken to sort of reduce dust emissions. So we went to sort of see where everything's crushed, the rock, the ore, and then with the dust in the air, how that was filtered through the filtration plant and bag houses, etc. Basically showing that here, these are the steps they had done to reduce the emissions. This photo was taken on Thursday morning, just before we went out to Cadia and did that tour of the underground mine. So locals had previously showed us this lookout spot, which is about less than 5 kilometres from the mine, and where they say that they can often see the vent emissions from the mine. And we actually spoke to a local resident who lived nearby and says you can see these vent emissions almost daily. It's not necessarily the dust, it's the heavy metals. That is at the centre. That's what we want to know. The EPA announced, it was on Friday last week, that the most recent interim test results from the dust samples taken from VR8, the main vent, were within regulatory limits. This is just the quantitative number, and the EPA said they're still going through the analysis and reviewing the data, and they're also seeking more information from the mine. For example, chemical analysis, which will tell us, the composition with heavy metals, which is really important, and the mine hasn't provided yet.